Alright, more chilies. This is the Firecracker variety. That's the label, and that's the description. Again, in pots in Melbourne. This is in partial sun, and this variety is Firecracker, as I said. Very prolific again. And this one is Birdseye, quite hot. And as you can see, this one's loaded with fruit as well. And off to harvest now. So here's the harvest from Birdseye. Left a few on there for now. And here's the harvest from the Firecracker variety. My son got few that he has harvested, and
These are the biggest of them all,
there we go.
including this one and this one.
And these are extremely hot.
Look at the size difference. Okay, let's put it back.
Alright, thank you.